blood. Use it to attract the most beautiful vampires to your Halloween party. Remove an applicator and take out a wiper from a used makeup tube. Use pliers to cut off the applicator from the top. It should be shorter than the syringe. Take it apart. Take off the rubber seal and cut off the plunger tip. Hot glue the applicator instead. Cut off the wide edge from the wiper to make it fit the barrel. Attach it inside. Cover the tip with hot glue. Pour lip tint into another syringe. Eject it into the wiper barrel. Put in the plunger applicator. Great! It looks like real blood. Let's prank my friend. I leave the syringe with blood in a place where she can easily find it. She doesn't like blood, and this syringe looks ghastly. She dares to touch it only when she's wrapped it in toilet paper. She looks with disgust. How can I take it in my hands? Take off the glue from the tip and eject blood red something. And finally, I apply this ejected something on my lips. Don't worry, I'm just going to be a vampire for this Halloween. You should be careful even with everyday things during Halloween. You can find an eerie surprise under the top of your favorite EOS balm. Snip off the top from your EOS balm and make a shallow hole in the center. Place the balm shavings in a spoon. Add a drop of green coloring. Melt it above the flame. Pour the green liquid into the pit. It forms a green iris of the fake eye. When cool, make another hole for the pupil. Pour in the melted balm with a black coloring. Shave white pastel. Melt it over the flame. Add a couple of tiny spots of light. Cut off the excess to smooth the surface. Let's work on the eye. Make it look natural. Scratch thin lines around the iris. Take red lipstick on a brush. Paint blood vessels on the sclera. Give her 2 EOS balms to choose from. It's her favorite lip care product, so she takes one and opens it. Aha! It seems this balm is watching her. Let's see what's inside. Is it red, green, or black? Take the balm out of the container. Add black gel food coloring. Put it in the microwave. Pour melted black balm in the top. Put it in the fridge to cool. Okay, the first balm was horrible. What about this one? Oh God, what an eerie color. It looks scary. It's no better than the first one. We certainly need a matching makeup bag to put in our horror makeup. Let's make it look like a pretty skull. Trace a bowl on a piece of pink felt. Be careful to add the allowance. We'll need 2 identical details. Fold up the edges and hot glue across the outline. This nimble spider is looking for a place to live in. Wait, baby, it's not yet time to do it. Hot glue across the edge on both sides. Attach a white zipper. We've chosen the big teeth zipper. Hot glue. It seems there's something missing. Go away, I told you. We've nearly forgotten about the face. Eye sockets, nose holes, and a mouth. Cut them out of the white felt. Hot glue the details. Does your friend need a makeup bag to put her horror makeup in? Offer her this awesome pink skull. It's spacey enough to keep all her weird stuff. It'll take care of her pumpkin, bone, eyeball, and finger. Now you know how to transform your mascara into a spooky bone, your lip balm into a freakish eyeball, your lipstick into an eerie finger, and your nail polish into a weird pumpkin. It's Halloween magic! Write in your comments which idea you liked the most. Be sure to subscribe, give your thumbs up, and ring the bell. Cling! Prank it or leave it!